it's me, and this is my new GTR 6.4. Actually, it's not. It's me sorting out my daughter's washing. After I put it in a hot cycle, it shrunk to the size of infinity, but not beyond. Something really small. Anyway, so I'm trying to sort out my daughter's washing. And apparently on the internet you can put it in some hair conditioner in the bath, leave it, and then put it up and it'll be all right. So this is how we've gone so far. Look at that. Yeah. I've done those already. Ooh, there we go, I've done those already. They're looking longer than ever. I hope she doesn't complain that they're too long, going down to her knees or whatever in a jumper. Who knows how it'll work out. Anyway, so I've got all my stuff here. I've got my coat hangers and other stuff, and let's see how it goes. I'll show you how to get rid of really shrunken stuff by just washing in hair conditioner. Right, so let me put this phone here. Ooh, oh my god, this is professional. It's just like being on the internet. Oh no. Gotta hope I don't drop my phone in the bath. Who do that, eh? There we go, so there we go, there's a song doing. Right, let's pop that there. Right, so I'm going to grab one out. Oh, it looks like you've been in the Amazon off a waterfall. So this is one of the, oh, it's quite heavy. So this is one of the stuff I've got to do. So I've got to stretch it out. So rather than what they do on the internet where they say, you go between 2 sheets of paper or baking paper and dry out, all you need is gravity. So let me show you. Right, stick that there. Ah, fantastic. I'll just put a bar of soap under the camera to give it the right angle. Look at that, eh? Fantastic. Hope my soap doesn't help. Right, so hello, I've washed all these in hair conditioner. Airy conditioner. I've been drinking a bit of beer, so there you go. Right, okay. So it's really heavy at the moment. Look at that bad boy. Now this was the size of something that a pygmy would wear in Africa before, after my exploits, and hopefully we can turn that from a jumper for a pygmy in Africa to, including the Fakawi tribe, to something that you can wear in Holland, because they're all 7 foot tall over there. So what you do first is you stick it on the wall like that, and you use gravity, and you just like use gravity. Yeah. Stretch it out. Rather than stretching it manually, just go like that. Look, see how heavy it is? All that weight is like working down now. It's already getting longer. It's a bit like kneading dough when you're making bread. It's getting longer and longer. Unlike my sex life. Right, here we go. Look at that. It's fantastic. I could live in that for a week. Oh, at Glastonbury. Well, maybe not yet. So what I do now is I stick it up there. And the problem is the arms, of course, don't stretch as much. So, got to do it manually. Ooh. 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 Alright, that's enough of that one. Alright, the other one. Yank, 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 yank. Right. I did drop my daughter's phone in the water this week, and I'm still waiting for the 99% alcohol to turn up, so I can try and dry that out as well. Because that ain't working at the moment, it's completely fucked. Right, anyway, here we go. How long is it going to be? Ooh, it's a little bit like Rolf Harris there. Ooh, can you tell what he's like? Yeah. Oh, perhaps I shouldn't mention him. Right, over here. Look at that. Whoa. That is looking good. Right, so what you do, once you've got rid of the most of the wet, you grab a coat hanger and use gravity just in the long term thing to dry it out au natural. And it will get even longer and longer. There we go. Right. Looking good. Ooh. I'll pop it up here. Right. Ooh. Going to answer the bugger on the right. It's me. I'm Shmee. Right, okay. Alright. Oh. Fantastic. The things dads do for daughters after they fucked it all up with washing things. Anyway, and cameras. So, in summary, let's see how it turns out. I'll give you an update tomorrow. Bye. Oh, look at that. I've got an earring. Oh, it's like a solar eclipse.